cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to use KS chicken from Kee Song to make a very popular Nyonya dish called Ayam Pongteh. Okay, so it's basically a braised chicken but Nyonya style, right? And this particular dish actually especially many Nyonya actually has a very close, or Baba or Nyonya actually has a very heart-to-heart feelings towards this particular dish. Appa cooked it several times. Most of the time, a lot of people will come in to share their view on how they actually did it at their home. Apparently, there are so many different versions, but here I'll be showing you some of the more important ingredients when it comes to this particular Ayam Pongteh. Of course, first of all, I'm using the KS chicken from Kee Song. This is the two full drumstick and full chicken leg, about 500 grams here. So it is very nicely packed. And later, the next thing very important here is actually this chopped shallot. Yeah, a lot of chopped shallot. Easily, I'm using about 3 to 4 tablespoons here, plus about 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. Another very important thing which the last round I forgot to put, and Appa gonna scolded by so many people, is this the fermented soya bean. Now, fermented soya bean paste, there are so many different types. There is actually the sweet type and the salted type. I usually prefer to use the sweetened type. Salted. Yeah, the salted type, not the sweetened type. I prefer to use the salted type. So this is approximately 1.5 tablespoon of the fermented soya bean. And this is also important from Gula Melaka. Yeah, Gula Melaka. So palm sugar, this is approximately 2 tablespoons. And besides the chicken, normally it will also have some potato chunks inside. Now the thing about potato chunks is after you remove the skin, you have to soak it under water so that it doesn't oxidize. Yeah. So what else? I have a bit of fresh coriander here for garnishing towards the end. Now, of course, we will need some light soya sauce, dark soya sauce, right? So let's start cooking.
Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
So let's take a look at all the different chicken parts that is available in Malaysia from Kee Song. So these are the Lacto chicken series. Of course, first of all, you can get the whole chicken, right? Then this beautifully cut leg, yeah, chicken leg. Very conveniently cut chicken breast. These are my personal favorite, all the chicken wings. And not forgetting gai dou tai. So here's are the different cuts available in Malaysia from Kee Song. A bit of info on KS chicken here. They are actually organically farmed. They are actually, I think, the first organic chicken farm in Malaysia. And they are fed with lactobacillus. In layman term, it actually means they are fed with yogurt drink. like human drinking yogurt drink to actually enhance our immunity, and this is what the chicken is fed on. And then the chicken listen to Mozart. Yeah, imagine that, just like those Wagyu beef. And they are farmed without antibiotic and without any growth hormone, so you know how quality it is for their chicken. If you want to know how to purchase KS chicken, you can actually go to online and buy it right now. I will actually put the purchase information in the video description so that you all can go and buy from there. Now, I think better avoid any physical shopping, seriously. Very dangerous, especially if you are in KL. Okay, let's start cooking. About 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil here to start with. We are going to saute especially the shallot. Put in the shallot first. Shallot here really plays a very important role. So let's saute this for a minute or two before I continue. We'll come back shortly. So this is after about 1 minute plus sauteing. Some of the onion has turned golden brown. Now I can put in the garlic. Ooh, already very fragrant. The fermented soya bean paste. Actually, my Nyonya friend told me, usually when she cook this, after adding the fermented soya bean paste and the light soya sauce and stuff, she won't add any more salt to this particular dish because it's already salted, very salty. Yeah. Then put in the chicken. So 500 gram here is approximately 3 pieces of leg. Give it a good stir. Gula Melaka, which is the palm sugar. Give it a hot water here. And I'm going to add in some Shaoxing wine. Okay, let me on the light for you. I'm going to put in some Shaoxing wine here. 1 small cup or half cup, no problem, up to you. You don't take alcohol, don't put. It's as simple as that. I need more water. I'm going to add more hot water here. And also the potato. This potato will take somewhere about plus minus 20 minutes to get cooked. Right. Now I'm going to give it some light soya sauce. About 2 to 3 tablespoons. Like I said, you probably don't have to add any more salt towards the end. And for the color, we are going to add in some dark soya sauce. This is not the sweetened type, but a normal caramelized dark soya sauce. About 1 to 2 tablespoons. So you want everything to nicely submerge under the broth. And bring it to a boil. It is now already boiling. That's the thing about cast iron. It preserves the heat very well once it is heated up. But it will take a little bit longer time to heat up compared to normal pot. You can use any pot for this dish, seriously. Yeah. Just for the sake of this video, I want it to look nicer, so I use the cast iron. Alright, so it is now boiling. What we can do right now, next step, very easy. Close the lid. Put down, adjust the fire to medium-low, and let it cook for approximately 20 minutes. The chicken actually will take only about 10 to 15 minutes to get cooked, fully cooked, but the potato is going to take plus minus 20, right? Okay, just now after about close to 20 minutes, because I saw the broth is still a lot, so I actually raised the heat, right? I actually raised the heat to medium-high. Let it boil for another 2-3 minutes to further reduce the broth like what you are seeing right now. Okay, the broth has reduced to about 30% left. Okay, so it's basically done. You can still adjust to taste using some salt and sugar. But like I said, some will never add any more salt to this. Okay, so now I'm just going to garnish it with some fresh coriander on top. And a few dashes of white pepper. Right, then it's done. Very simple, isn't it? But this goes really well with white rice. Okay, so all the ingredients that I use today, I will give you the ingredient list inside the description box, so you can just go and check it out. So I hope you like my video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page or click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. This pot is going to be my serving pot as well. Alright, bye bye.